How to solve cellular connection issue detected on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to solve cellular connection issues detected on iPhone. So in that case, what you might want to do is first just come back to this menu over here and just try enabling the airplane mode for about 10 to 20 seconds and just recover it just like that, revert back to your Wi-Fi, and once you do that, just try checking your SIM once again. And if that doesn't work, then in that case what you might want to do is just take out your SIM port and for 20 seconds and reinsert your SIM port as well as your SIM card and see if it's work. And if it's still not working, then you might have to go to your Apple store or Apple support team and tell them to fix your issue, and this will be handing over to your case to fix and solve the issue just like that. So the last way or method what you might as well try is, if the issue is regarding the software, then you can simply come back to your settings and click on general and click on software update and try the software update from over here. So once you do that, your issue should be fixed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.